Hello and welcome to Buy One DM. Welcome back if you are a subscriber. Welcome back if you are a new subscriber. Hit that like, subscribe button and comment down below what you think so far. I am Buy One DM, here to share all things real about the digital world, from education, job markets and personal financial management for those new and old to the whole game. This is never seen before content for majority of us here, but I'm here to spill the beans on these digital secrets that we are masking today. So without further ado, today I'm here with the tutorial based on the FA, how you get your financial aid for Coursera and how you get these paid certificates for free. Yes, you heard me, for free. And how college and university students actually get them for free. So let's get into it. So here I am on the Coursera website in my student portal, and you are seeing that I'm looking at the University of Hong Kong Science and Technology. Here I'm looking at their business, their accounting, business and society, the multi-phases of accounting program. So this is a program that I've been wanting to take for a while now with regards to accounting, as I've mentioned in my previous videos, that I will be linking here so that you can see the whole shebang on the jobs that I think are taking off within this world. So here we go. This is the paywall that a lot of you guys say that you're seeing. So to avoid this whole paywall thing, don't click on purchase course. You can take the full course but you don't get any certificates. It's called auditing the course. So here you can still select that, go through the whole course, get all the material, but just not the certificate or do any of the assignments. If you're doing this for knowledge bases only, but if you're doing this for FA, then right next to that you'll see financial aid. You click that button, because the thing is, once you apply for financial aid, you are in that aid system. So guys, if you are somebody who does not have money to study, do this. All they want from you when you click this is that you commit to the course, that you will finish it, and that all the information that you're giving them is completely correct about you. About you. You're giving them all the correct information about you, and then just either retype that or highlight that. I don't know what I was doing here, struggling with my life and my cursor board. I don't know what's happening here, guys. But anyway, when you're applying for FA on Coursera, these universities have specific amounts of money set aside for these sort of FA things. So why don't you just cash in on all of this free money, because they set it aside anyway? So why not? Now here we go. First, they want all of your background information, how much money you make. First of all, choose whether you're a high school student, college student. So these courses are literally for anybody. You don't have to just be 18 or whatever, anybody. So here, your annual income, if you have no job, if you're a student, put 0, or put whatever annual income you have that's just like low, like if you have a low income, yeah. And then employment status, say student if you're a student, say unemployed, whatever. Just what do you want, full-time, part-time, all of that. They have all those options. Now here, put 0, big fat 0. They're going to ask you if you can pay for the course and how much you can pay per month, or how much you can pay maybe for the course, like as a whole. Like maybe if it's $49, how much can you pay? Put 0. Now they're gonna ask you why, and you have to put at least 150 words. And then they're gonna ask you how this will help your career or achieve something in your career. Again, no less than 150 words, guys. And then they're gonna ask you to help them improve. They're gonna ask you if they were to give you a low interest loan, would you be able to pay it back? Click no. And then here they're going to ask you, if you answered no, please tell us why. And they want to understand your situation. So guys, here, lela ngwanesu, lela, cry, tell them your whole sub story. Start it from the beginning. You can go as minimum as 150 characters, but then you can go even more. You can literally go even more than that. Like, type a whole essay about it. Like if you've applied to a university, especially in the States and the UK, they usually ask for all of these essay things. It's honestly one of the longest processes ever, but here it's very simple. Just type in what your situation really is. make them understand your situation. Tell them about your student loan. Tell them about the people you support. Tell them about what happens with your paycheck. Break it down for them when you get it, all of that. Then confirm that I'm not a robot, and you submit. So I'm not going to submit this one. I'm still going to put in my information. I'm going to take you guys to the other 2 courses that I've already applied for, and they tell you this is the email that you get. You get an email that says that we have received your information, yada yada yada, and then they tell you basically when you're going to get feedback. I'm waiting for the 23rd to get feedback, and that is it, guys. That is all that you need to know about trying to get help with FA from Coursera. And with Coursera, they really do get back to you, whether you got it or you didn't. They will tell you why if you don't. Majority of the time, they do say why if you do not. And another thing, guys, please make sure that you take these courses seriously, because we do not want them to retract this money that they set aside for students that cannot afford it. Like some of you guys who may be able to afford it, some people cannot. Like me, when I first started taking these courses, I could not afford anything else. I couldn't even afford to put myself through school. So guys, let us not waste the resources that we have. Let us not waste the resources for other kids. Let's make sure that everybody else gets their fair shot at this whole thing and gets their fair shot at getting this education, guys. I am rooting for all of you. Go ahead, apply as many courses as possible. Maybe if you apply to 5 or 3, one of them will come back to you with a positive response if they do have FA for their courses, and if they don't, you can audit the course and then maybe find a similar one that does have an audit, or that does have a free certificate that they can give you with FA. Guys, university students, your university set aside money for this for free, so I'm going to be leaving the link down below for university students. Check if your university does, and please do not waste these opportunities. Honestly, guys, these are gold mine opportunities for people, especially people like me who come from backgrounds where you may not always have it, but you have what you need. But when you, like, guys, let's not waste these opportunities. Honestly, share it with a friend, share it with somebody who needs it, share it with somebody who's just down on their luck and they need to get back out there into the world. Guys, I love you all so much. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the huge amount of love that you keep on showing my channel. I am here for it. I am here for you. Leave a comment down below if you need anything else, and I'll be sure to look into it. Thank you very much, and please have a wonderful day.